again, starting a new year. We're going to make a loaded hash brown potato casserole today to go with those great ribs that he's cooking right now. I can't wait. But this is called loaded for a reason, because we are going to use hash browns. These are diced. You can use shredded, whatever you like. And we're also going to use onion, jalapeno peppers, pimento, minced garlic, and crumbled bacon that I had just fried, and also butter, sour cream, and we're going to top it with a buttery cracker crumb crust on top. And you know, when you get a loaded baked potato at a restaurant, well, this is pretty much it. It's just in casserole form. So I'll be right back to show you. In this full bag of the hash browns in the bowl here, and this is a 32-ounce package, in case you're wondering. We'll have all these ingredients and amounts on the link. Okay, and what we're going to do now, I'm just going to pour half of a cup. We've got 3/4 of a cup of butter melted, but we're going to save 1/4 of a cup for the topping. So I'm just going to pour half a cup in here and save that 1/4 cup for later. Okay, after we've put the butter in, I'm going to also put a cup of sour cream in and a cream of chicken soup. A little bit. And now I'm going to put a medium of Vidalia onion in here. That makes about a cup. And we will also put, this is about 2 tablespoons of jalapeno pepper. Now, how hot you want it is entirely up to you. I like a little zip. I don't like it super hot, so y'all can kind of judge how you want to do that. And this is 2 teaspoons of pimento. This gives it a nice color. I like color. I'm all about color. Being an artist, I like things to pop out. Okay, and this is 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Give it that good flavor. And this is about 5 strips of thick cut bacon. And this is going to give it some good flavor too. Okay, now we're just going to mix it. And you don't have to put any salt in this, because it's going to have a salty flavor already with the soup, the butter, and all of that. So you won't have to do that, but you can pepper it for sure, which I am going to do. Just put however you want on there. I'll probably put some on the top. Okay, we're just going to mix this up, and then I'll show you what's next together. And now I'm going to put the cheese in there and mix that all in too. And then I'll show you what's next. Okay, I've got the casserole dish. I've got a 9x13. I'm going to spray it with some Pam a little bit lightly. And then we're going to put the potato mixture in here. And this is a heavy. It makes a lot. You'll be able to feed a dozen people with this probably. I'll be back in just a minute. Ritz crackers. You know I love my Ritz crackers, and it makes the best topping. So what you're going to do is just go ahead and scrunch it, crush it. A lot easier. If you have a few big chunks, just go down there and get them and crush them out. And then we're going to pour the remaining butter in that. Get all that stirred together. Okay, and now we'll just spread that. Preheated 350-degree oven. Be ready to eat, and it's going to be so good. We're going to do a taste test. Okay, we're ready, and this has been baking for 50 minutes at 350. Beautiful golden brown color. we are going to do a taste test in just a bit. Let it cool just a little bit. Okay, guys, we're going to do the taste test. And I'm looking forward to this. Let's see how this is going to be. Oh my gosh. Y'all have got to try this one. It is really good because it truly is a loaded hash brown potato casserole with the jalapeno peppers in it, the garlic, onions. Oh gosh, you can taste the sour cream and the butter. It's really good. I'll have to give my cameraman a taste test too. So come here, cameraman. Taste it. What's the verdict?
Might need another bite.
I kind of thought so. It's kind of hot.
The smoke coming off.
I know, it's hot. It is really hot.
Let me hold that spoon.
Yeah, you don't trust me on that one.
I'll do my own blowing.
Yeah, that is so good.
That is pretty.
It's
Yeah.
really good. And it's got all those colors in it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm all about the color.
Very good.
Oh yeah. So like I said, you can put more jalapenos in if you want it hotter. I put a couple tablespoons. But it's so good. Y'all gotta try it.
Mmm.
So
Getting close on the beef ribs.
yeah, I'm looking forward to this meal. It's gonna be a good one. We'll talk to you and see you later. Bye.